economic realities across Nigeria has led to protests in parts of the country to register the grievances of Nigerians who are struggling to survive.
People are hungry. People are dying daily of hunger. Insecurity is killing people. We just need them to help us. They should just help us. They should just look into our case and be of help to Nigerians. That's just all we need.
So as of today, 1 USD is currently going for 1,880 Naira according to Naira rate. Now, instead of you staying there and hoping and wishing for the dollar to come down so that you can be able to afford to take care of yourself, your family, or your loved ones, now the wise thing for you to start doing right now is for you to find a way to start earning in dollars so that you can be able to cushion out the effect of these high exchange rates that we are experiencing right now in Nigeria. Since we do not have power to decide what happens in the economy, whether it do well or not, or whether dollar goes up or not, now, the only power that we have right now is to figure out a way for us to be able to consistently earn in dollars so that no matter how high the dollar exchange rate goes, we can be able to survive, sustain ourselves, and live comfortably.
All right, guys, as you can see on my screen, $30,889, $68,025, $219,561. When you put all this together, it's over $300,000. If you are from Nigeria and you use the current exchange rate of $1,400, this is over 400 million naira. All right. If you are from Ghana, if you are from India, from South Africa, wherever you are from, you can convert these figures with your local currency. Okay. Now, on this note, I want to welcome you to this amazing, life-changing, life-transforming webinar. Okay, these figures you are seeing on the screen, it is also possible with you. But before I delve into how you can get started with this, all right, follow me so I can put you through on what this is all about. Okay, all right. In this presentation, in this webinar, I want to show you how to trade cryptocurrency to make between $500 to $20,000 every month without putting your current lifestyle at risk, even if you are a beginner. All right, even if you have no experience, just come with me. All you need to do is to just dedicate that 10 minutes, that 15 minutes, that 20 minutes, and ensure you go through this presentation from the beginning to the end. The good news is that you can do this simple business with just your smartphone and right from the comfort of your home or anywhere in the world with good internet connection. And yes, you can even start with just as little as $10, as little as $15, as little as $20. Yes, you heard me right. All right. So you have no excuse to miss out of this. So nothing should stop you to be part of this amazing opportunity I am bringing to you. Okay. By the way, I am Dr. Ashley Azubike, all right, popularly known as Mr. Wealth. And in this video, I will show you how smart people like you and I all over the world are making between $500 to $20,000 every month just by analyzing and trading cryptocurrency, even without having any prior expertise or trading skill. All right. In this business model, what we do is to analyze the financial market like cryptocurrency, forex, stocks, commodities, etc., and simply trade them. Once we do the analysis will help us to know the direction of the market. In other words, our analysis will help us to predict when and whether a crypto asset is going up or down. All right? If it is going up, we buy. If it is going down, we sell. Okay? Buying also means longing, or selling also means shorting. As simple as that. For instance, I'm very sure you have heard of Bitcoin, right? As at 11th of January 2024, one Bitcoin was about $48,969. And just 10 days later, Bitcoin fell and dropped to $41,500. Can you see the difference? $7,469. Massive, massive difference. If you had the knowledge of how to analyze the crypto market and you sold or short Bitcoin as at 11th of January 2024, you would have made a fortune for yourself. Imagine making extra 50%, 100%, 200%, 750%, 1,200%, 2,564%, 3,777%, and on and on and on in a single trade. Wow. This is the greatest wealth creating opportunity out there right now. Nobody should sleep on this. As we say in Nigeria in 2024, no grief for anybody. So this opportunity, no grief, this opportunity to pass you by. Ensure you follow it headlong. All right. If you think I'm just calling figures, okay, take a look at these amazing testimonies and numbers done by our student, of whom are total beginners. The first testimony there you can see, he said, "Congratulations to me, now God doings." What happened? He bought an amazing, beautiful Lamborghini, all from this same business model I am introducing to you right now. You can see this other person, over 300% profit, over 100% profit. You can see this person, he's also a beginner, over 120% profit. Amazing, right? Good. You can see this person, $2,260 profit from a single trade. That is over 1.8 million, sorry, over 2.8 million naira if you are from Nigeria. Okay, you can see this person, 24% from $2,500 margin, which means he made about $600 here. You are getting it, right? Good. Amazing testimonies from people like you. Can see this person? Can you see $10,233? Wow. Over 14 million naira. Wow. Can you see over here? $14,159. Wow. About 20 million naira. Just in a single trade. This is amazing, 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 right? So amazing. Now, you may be asking, what is cryptocurrency? What is crypto trading? How do I start making money trading cryptocurrencies like these people? Good questions, good questions. Now, in simple terms, cryptocurrency is a digital money. Cryptocurrency is digital money that is not controlled by government or body or any institution. But crypto trading is the speculative buying and selling of cryptocurrencies in order to make profit. That is crypto trading. You buy and sell crypto assets. Okay? There are different ways you can make money trading cryptocurrencies, but our focus here is the trading aspect. Now, how do I learn to make money trading cryptocurrencies? On a general note, you need both technical and fundamental analysis knowledge to be able to trade and make money from the crypto market. But both technical and fundamental analysis knowledge won't make you win alone. You need good and proven strategies, psychological and emotional discipline, astute money and risk management. You need someone who can hold you by the hands, show you the ropes and guide you through your journey, and so many more. All right? This is where the crypto Cubana system comes to play. Amazing, right? Good. Now you can see more testimonies. Okay, the person said, "It's getting interesting. Trading using my own signals is truly a feat." Amazing. Can you see he made 100%? Some made 106%. Some made 201%. Amazing, amazing, amazing. These are ordinary people like you. All right. This person made 146%. All right. First time posting is a newbie as well. 285% from a single trade. 200%. Wow. Wow. Now, well, if you are still watching this, that tells me that you are serious and committed to changing your life, changing your financial situation, and helping your loved ones. If that is the case, here is what I can do for you. I would like to mentor you. I would like to show you the ropes when it comes to earning big money as a crypto trader. I will agree to take you under my wing, and I will mentor you every single step of the process. Are you with me? Now, I have a friend that is the best out there called Crypto Cubana Trading System. on how to successfully and profitably start making $500 to $20,000 per month trading cryptocurrencies, even if you are a beginner or if you are someone who is already trading the crypto market. Okay, as you have seen, or that perhaps you might have never seen before. Okay, our system is an easy to digest video system in which I pulled the curtain on my own secrets and strategies. Now, let me tell you what you're going to get when you join our Crypto Cubana system. Okay, now the first thing you're going to get is advanced trading strategies. Our Crypto Cubana course goes beyond basic concept and offers advanced cutting-edge strategies that are backed by extensive research. Okay, you gain a competitive edge in the market by learning unique techniques that can help you identify profitable trading opportunities. You also get experienced traders and instructors who will guide you more. Okay, you're going to learn from experienced people like myself. Okay, all right. And as you learn from us, you will then benefit from our expertise, from our knowledge, from our shared experiences. You'll also gain access to trading tools and resources. In addition to theoretical knowledge, our course provides you with practical trading tools and resources to support your analysis. Okay? So you're going to gain access to specialized softwares and charting patterns, platforms that can streamline your analysis process and help you execute trades more efficiently. Okay, we're going to also put you through risk management strategies. Effective risk management strategies will help you to make more money in the crypto market. I'm going to guide you on how to go about that. Okay, how to go about that. When I started crypto trading, I lost about $5,000 in 24 hours because I lacked risk management strategies. Okay, so I'm going to teach you so you don't also repeat my mistakes. Okay, we're also going to put you through trading psychology. You need to understand the market psychology. I'm a psychologist myself by training. Okay, so we are going to put you through the process of understanding the reason or behavior behind price movement, the reason why an asset will go up or go down. We're going to tell you the reason behind that. Okay, you also get lifetime access to the course as well as updates. We update the course regularly once we discover new and amazing things. Okay, so you get access to all that. You also get access to a super active Crypto Cubana community where we share our minds together and do more things together. Okay, if you sign up today, you also get all these special bonuses. First, I'll give you access to 30 days free one-on-one mentorship with me. I'll give you 2 secret websites for your fundamental analysis. I'll ensure, as you are part of us, you also stand a chance to be selected as part of our technical analytical team. All right. You also stand a chance of selected as part of those who will participate in our Crypto Cubana retreat. Okay. You also get a chance to participate in our 100,000 trading challenge. Okay. I will also give you real-time case studies where you can apply technical analysis concepts. Okay. In your cryptocurrency chart. Everything I have poured out right now is worth over $2,000. It's worth over $2,000, and in Nigeria, over 3 million naira. Okay, but of course, I won't ask you to pay even half or quarter of the above amount because I really want to help you. I'm going to make the price so low, in fact, so low that you would want to grab the opportunity right now. I usually charge about $699, which is over 900,000 naira for this. But this is what I will do for the first 59 persons. I'm going to give you 93% discount. So instead of paying 990,000, 970,000 or 699,000, you can just pay a token of 59,999 naira or $60. Okay, so you can make the payment right now by clicking the link, the payment link on anywhere the video is attached. Okay, all right. This is a steal. It is a steal. Now, aside the above 93% discount I'm giving you, If you are among the first 20 persons, I will also give you access to our newest list of 20 crypto gems that can 100x your income in the coming bull run. Okay, of course, you remember this picture, right? The picture we started, right? The picture we used in starting this presentation. Can you see it? Even if you don't make this, you can make it's possible. But let me show you something. Can you see this? $10.3 million. This is my target this year. What is your own target? I can help you get there. It can be $10,000. It can be $100,000. It can be $50,000. Whatever it is, I can help you get there. And start with our crypto Cubana trading system. So instead of paying 970,000 naira or 699, just pay a token of 59,999 or $60 by clicking on the link right now. By the time you enroll and complete this course, you will not only have a solid understanding of what cryptocurrency is all about, but you also have a battle-tested strategy on how to navigate the system. All right, you're welcome once again. I remain Dr. Mr. Wealth. Enjoy the rest of your day, okay? And I can't wait to have you in our Crypto Cubana Academy. Please, whatever you need to do, ensure you are part of the first 20 so you can gain access to the crypto gems. Ensure you are part of the first 59 so you can also enjoy the 93% discount. See you.